Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my next vlog. Stinks in here, man. Just gonna go to across the road to see if they do cooking. Might go get a trim. I need trim. Yeah, and then gonna come back, have a shower, and then what's the plan for today, Mom?
Blue Mosque.
We're gonna go to the Blue Mosque. We're gonna go go-karting. This time, hopefully, that's later on. We're gonna go Giga Mall. We got loads of things planned. So, see you guys there. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to Barber's now, yeah, and now we're getting a trim. These barbers look like a mad thing, but it has to be done. Don't know how it's gonna end up. I've told him I wanted it just normal, get me, but you can see how it is now. Yeah, so we can see now how it is, yeah. So, these men are trying to if I don't understand. Man, I'm saying you get me about man, understand everything. Understand everything. She's basically his little girl. Man's basically trying his little girl, yeah, yo, put the thing on me. And he's gonna cut my hair. Violation. So ladies and gentlemen, just got my trim now, yeah. Now we're going to go get some food in that. The next place called Dope. Rob to the barbers and then we'll go home, we'll have a shower. This is the place, you know, that looks bad. Dope. Huh? So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna review this place now, yeah. I'm gonna let you know how it is. But this is the logo, basically Dope. It's called Dope. The shop bar looks nice. It looks nice and clean as well. And the customers are all, like the customers, the waiters, they're all like nice geezers still. Yo, look at my mustache, bro. I messed up my mustache, man. This is the shop, yeah. Dope. This is my man, yeah. Good message, though. England fan इसलिए.
आप आए हमारे डोर पे, इंशाल्लाह आपको फूड खाना रहेगा. बहुत ही अच्छा फास्ट फूड है हमारा. आप ट्राई कीजिए.
Come down here, yeah. Say MK70 here, yeah. Mama's giving you a 70% discount, yeah. Get me? Any? Yeah, man. Gangster. Dope. Yeah. Yo, these men are playing my tube, man. I didn't even ask them to. I swear down. You hear that? You get me? These mans are all playing my tune, fam. You get me? Big up all these mans, yeah. Shout all these mans, yeah. Yeah, man. Shout all these mans, yeah. Shout all these mans. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up my man. आपका नाम क्या है?
Zishan Ahmed.
Big up Zishan. Yeah, man. So guys, we're munching up. Yo, look at the packaging. This is Rusty. We're munching up. And these are eating the haram. Get out of here. We're in the good stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the burger, yeah. We're gonna eat it now and give it a review. So guys, that food was absolutely banging. Trust me, you guys should go down there. Yeah, it's in E11. Islamabad, yeah, E11. Yeah, it's called Dope. Oh, it's fire blood, yo. Make sure you guys go there. So ladies and gentlemen, looking fresh here. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear today, you know. I'm gonna go go-karting and that. And have some fun. Gonna have some fun and that, you know what I'm saying, man? Yeah, we're gonna go to Lakeview Park now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is called sunset karting, yeah. I mean, it's called F1 karting, but yo, we're doing it in the sunset. It looks sick. Yo, look at the sunset at the back. Sick, you know. But yeah, we're gonna do some go-karting now. I'm gonna get someone to record me. It's digging up. So, ladies and gentlemen, just finished go-karting, yeah, and yo, don't ever do it, yeah, with no, then this is the way to call it, hide them things they put down. Yo, I'm telling you now, but I smoked it. I had to show everyone what I do. You know I didn't, I smoked you, blood. Why are you talking shit?
I passed you like once or twice.
How did you pass me once or twice?
I was in front of you.
And then who came after you? In front of you? Is this geezer lost or you lost?
No.
Bloody last idiot.
He overtook all of us. No.
Bloody is shit
I
geezer.
overtook him as well at the start here. Yes, he overtook
And
me
him.
twice.
Bloody
Overtook him.
dumb geezer, bloody. This is so shit, but he thinks he's sick, yeah?
You know what you do? You fucking pussy. Weight difference. How much do you weigh?
Exactly.
How much do I
Oi,
weigh?
was you asking me hitting off the thing?
Yeah.
Mine's burning.
Forget burning, but mine's hitting off the thing.
Yeah, over
Everything
there,
lick him
down
like,
there.
oh, your bastard, it
Yeah,
hurts.
the road's broken me, that's
This is
why.
why I was stuck in double time.
Yo, this is fun, man. Yo, everyone good to come here, you know, F1. It's called F1 something. F1 racing or something, yeah, in Islamabad. Go there. Lake view. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are biking Amal. So everybody, we're on Giga Mall now, yeah. The flip floor is this one. We're in Giga Mall now, yeah. And now we're gonna have a look around everywhere. If you didn't guys know where I am, I'm in Pakistan. Can you tell? This is Giga Mall. Massive, you know, massive. It looks like that, but yo, it goes far. Goes down there as well. Wow. They got a barbershop there. Bare shops in here, you know. Loads. Look, they got even got footwear there as well. They got the body shop. They got Tag Hill here. They got Swarovski. The man's here now, yeah, against the sprays and that. We got bad boy couple of sprays now, you know. Come to this place here. Bad boy sprays here, you know. Bad boy sprays here. So ladies and gentlemen, bare spray for that, yeah. This is for me. This is for the missus. These are for the missus. Yeah. But this one's for me. Give me repping stamp flag. Smart hair, yo. You never get this limited edition. This is fire. Come down to jump here, jump shade or something, yeah. There's one in Birmingham, or between Birmingham, Stafford Road and Islamabad Road, yeah. Go there and get this great trust me. Limited edition is fire. Now, alright, so guys, now, yeah. Now we're just walking now, yeah. And I don't know, I think we're gonna go to Khaadi now. So let's go see what's going on. And I heard that's a good shop for like women's clothes and that. So bring the women's down there, take them down there. And I'm gonna try to get a discount there. Yeah, try to get a discount, yeah. And the guy goes, this and that, and all this and that, yeah. But instead, what the people started doing there was just gave me some free badges and that. So stand a bit back, cameraman. Stand a bit closer, man. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna go there now. We'll just go see what we're. So I'll pick up the dog once it's outside. We're in Khaadi now, yeah. This is Khaadi. कुछ खा दो खादी उनमें बूढ़ी वैसे कुछ चीज़ लेनी चाहिए ना क्या पता क्या पसंद है चीज़ I need to find something for my wife. I don't know what she will like. I know what she will like. I'm joking. I know what she will like. She'll get the unsewn ones. She'll get the sewn ones. I'm gonna get the sewn ones. So I'm gonna get the sewn ones. I'm gonna get some bad boy ones. These are the slippers and that, yeah. These are some sewn ones. These are all unsewn and that, yeah. These are all unsewn and that. These are all sewn ones. And there's more like around there on the back. We just finished from that shop now, yeah, but yo, that shop was a long time. We was in there for ages, man, but you know what? Quite good prices. It's quite good, mate. You guys should go down there. Now we'll grab some food now. Man, I'm hungry. But why did you got a big bag on him, fam? So, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we've finished from the shops now, yeah. Now we're going to go grab some food and some upstairs. We're going to see what sort of food we can get. We're going to shop there I come to last time. I think we're going to shop to They got games in that here as well, so obviously, man's gonna play some games in that. But yo, cameraman, can you stop covering the mic? Thank you. You're not getting paid for this, you know. I'm not paying ya. Why are you standing so far? They can't hear me. Yeah. So basically, yeah, we're gonna go get some food and that. So once we go get some food, yeah, I'll let you know after that. So yeah, see you guys later. This is some B-Tech trainer shop, you know, so I'm kind of dead still, but yeah, so you can catch up my man. Yeah, this is a shop down here, so look at my man. That's not my man, so I'm kind of dead still. Look guys, they got a fun zone there as well for all the kids in it. And they got that Turkish thing, you know, the thing that they do, number one bullshit guy. That's there as well, yeah. So guys, yeah, these are my birds in that. Shut up, man. Shut up. Speak to me. That's my door. Shut up. Brrr. Shut up. Walk one. Okay, yeah? Stand like. Yeah, man. Stand here. Stand here. Stand here. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is called Hardies Fire Food. This is a food court upstairs. क्या है क्या ना cheap है? What are you doing, man? Kanjri na cheap है. Kanjri na cheap. Wagwan. Wagwan. Get out of here, man. This is what we're eating today. Hardies burger, yeah. So, I don't know what it is. Maybe burger try cheese steak or something like that. I don't know. With some cheese sauce, yeah, and some neck sauce. Taste fire. Santa Fe sauce, yeah. Hardies drink. One. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're having some smoked balls, whatever they call it, yeah. Watch this.
Can I try it?
Your man's come back to a dead car park, you know. Bumbo clatted. Cuckoo! So guys, this is a POV, you know. We're in Raja Bazaar. This is the Raja Bazaar, it's not Raja Bazaar, basically Raja Bazaar store. Yeah, man. You know, hold your phone tight, yeah, because man's there, we'll just spend the phone again. This is a bad boy thing, you know. Huh? But what the flip, bro? बोलो ना जी।
और सुनाओ कैसे हैं, कैसे हालात हैं आपके अम्मी-अब्बू के? अल्लाह आपको हमेशा खुद मुस्कुराता रखे।
Astaghfirullah. So ladies and gentlemen, just got back to the AP. And I'm gonna have to vlog, yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna go to my first masjid inshallah, so see you guys there.